Good morning, everybody. We got a ton of snow, which this happens frequently in Idaho. We got a whole bunch of snow, and then suddenly last night it turned to rain. I'll show you just a sec. Oh my gosh, I don't even know how I'm gonna get around this. Ew. Oh my gosh. This is after my husband plowed. Yikes.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
The babies are wet.
All right, what's going on?
Babies are wet.
Okay.
Yeah, and they're cold, too.
Okay.
I can tell they're really upset.
All right. Okay. Oh my gosh. So much snow. Hi, Mama. All right, so I told you guys in an earlier video, Mama had her babies down in this corner, which is not a great spot, and she does that all the time. I'm not sure. Oh, look at these little fluffies. They're so wet.
I heated that little guy up with my hands.
All right. So they're just really soaking wet. So what's gone on is that the rain is blowing in, which they have a huge pen that they can be in. So let's try to move the bunnies. Just a lid. Do we have anything?
I don't know. If I do, it's gonna be buried under all that chopped snow.
All right. Well, this is all good fresh straw. Let's put this in here. I just don't think.
Mommy, it's too... You're pigeon!
If we move the box over to there and we had a lid for it, we could at least cover up where they're at.
It would still get water down in there.
Well, but it wouldn't be blowing right on them.
Okay, I'll see if I can find anything.
Okay.
They're soaking wet. Just scratch their backs and everything else. They'll get all warm.
Yeah, we just are gonna keep going to this spot. It's so wet. But maybe we can do this.
Don't scratch any.
They can still get in. It'll still blow.
A little.
Maybe we can do it this way. But if we can cover it. Right.
Go put it on.
Go ahead. Yep. All right, we found this piece of board. Just slide it over the top of that right there. Yep. All the way to the back. We want to cover the back. Keep going. Lift it up over those hinges. See if you can get it close to the window. I don't know if it'll fit in that hole though. Okay. Aw. Poor babies.
You want me to try to...
I think I'll just line their tunnel that got wet.
Mm-hmm. Mama is chewing on my boots.
Yeah, we don't want them to get sick. That's the main
How?
thing.
Get sick by the cold?
Well, yeah, they're soaking wet. If they get, oh, look out, Eli.
No. I'm gonna shut the door.
Yeah, they'll be good. Well, okay, there you go. That's fine. Okay. I'm just gonna fill this box up too. Maybe they'll really like it.
Baby Abby is still in there.
Okay. Oh, I see her. Okay. That's fine.
That little baby is just loves
This
it
will
in
give
there.
them a dry place to be though, in the same spot.
What are you doing, Mama?
I should have thought of this before.
Hey.
There you go. Hi, little bunny. Come here.
Baby Abby is dry is a lot more dry because I was petting her, holding her.
Okay. So we just need to not, like, it doesn't matter if the front right here is open. So when you guys are playing with them, hi, little bunny. Look, we made, look, come here. We made you a new little home. Come here.
Put him in.
I'm wet. I'm not wet. I'm nice and dry. Here. Yeah, here. Look. That's your little home. Aww. Here.
Mommy, here comes a black.
Okay, let them come. If I can show them their little home. All right, let's spread this out a bit and we'll share this with the ducks because their pen got soaking wet overnight too. Make sure they've got nice, plenty of
Looks like
bedding.
Mama's trying to dry off
Yeah.
on her first.
Yeah, that's good. Here, we'll cover it up right here too.
Good idea.
The more we can keep it dry, the better.
You're
They
getting
have to
covered
have that.
in hay.
I mean, it was super windy, so it was just blowing right in all night.
Yeah, the water.
That was quite the storm.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we can show them. Come here, little bunnies. Come here, little wet one. You got really hammered. Oh, you're just soaked. I'm so sorry. Here. Got your little home. Come here. Let's show you. There's your new little home. Here. You gotta go in there. That's the way.
Hi, you like my new smartwatch?
Oh, little bunny.
We got 2 more.
Yep.
Hey, how
Come here.
Abby cut out?
We might have to put...
Abby wants to come in
That's fine. I just wanted to know that they can get in and out this hole. Where did Abby go?
behind there. Back there.
Come
Right.
here, Abby.
Isn't she dry?
Okay.
And they keep coming out,
That's
look.
okay. I don't care if they come out.
Little babies.
There. Hey, Mama. Mama. There. They figured it out. Is that better?
I'm gonna try to pick up Mama.
Oh.
What?
Yeah, that little one got really... Hey, Mama. Come on, Mama. Hi. Yeah. Oh, you have. I didn't even realize you had Huck also.
Yeah.
He is like blended. Everybody's happy now. The ducks are happy with their new straw. Hold on. Okay, well, even though they are still wet, I think that they will be okay. They're gonna be able to clean themselves. Mama was cleaning them. She was already chewing on our lid, so we got her some branches. We usually keep branches in here. This is just pine and they do all right with it. Rabbit's teeth continuously grow, and we actually had one of our previous rabbits chew all of that. Even though she had branches, it was not a good situation. We ended up having to cull her because she just had some very strange behaviors, but I think our little baby rescue has been successful. Look, that one's already cleaning itself back there. I think everybody's gonna be just fine. The last beautiful rays are going down on this wonderful day. We got some blue sky, just like true North Idaho weather. We can get snow one day and rain for the whole next day, and then a beautiful sunny day. You just never know what you're gonna get. We thought we'd go ahead and end this video on a good note. All the baby bunnies are doing just fine. So if you're excited to plan gardens with me, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you real soon. Thanks for joining us. They're all doing just fine. They're all dry and everybody's happy. And they like their new little hut. Oh!